Hi everyone, I'm Jimmy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are stepping inside one of the most advanced manufacturing and innovation hubs in the world, the Hyundai Motor Group Innovation Centre, Singapore, built none other than Hyundai Motor Group.
So good afternoon and a very warm welcome. First, Meta Factory of HMGICS. Now what is a Meta Factory? It is simply a recreation of a real-world factory. Very first Hyundai model that was independently mass-produced back in 1974. And this is known as the Hyundai IONIQ.
This isn't just a car factory. This is a glimpse into how humans and robots will live, work and coexist in the next decade. This car factory is not just all metal and silicone. Hidden inside this futuristic structure is a two-story smart farm. In a city that imports 90% of its food, this factory grows 30 kilos of fresh greens daily using 100% automation, all without the use of soil and pesticides. Talking about farming anywhere in the world, and you can picture a man toiling in the fields under a scorching sun. I guess here in Singapore, this is what modern farming looks like. Only microscopes, seeds and air-conditioned rooms. Farming can be sexy after all. Never would I in my wildest dream be able to conceive an idea like this. But in this car factory, you can actually find a restaurant led by a 3 Michelin star chef. Naho is the first seat-to-table car factory experience in the world. I'm quite sure your food cannot get any fresher. Hyundai is not only just producing cars, but they are also making robotaxi. I can foresee a day in the very near future where only robotaxis ply the streets of Singapore. Hyundai has created a digital twin in the metaverse to mirror the actual real-time historical and stimulation of the car manufacturing process. Here I am trying to mess around with my VR headset. This can easily look like a scene of the Matrix, where everyone needs to choose between the red or blue pill.
This is something known as digital curated experience, or we call it GICS in short. Now GICS,
To be honest, this car factory looks more like a university campus than a car factory. It is clean, pristine, very Apple-like, instead of a greasy tar-stained floor that I've imagined of all car factories. Just when I thought the tour is over, we're being led to the Skytrack. Every car that is built is taken to the roof for a high-speed test drive on a 618-meter circuit with a massive 38-degree incline.
Hello. Driver?
Safety belts on?
Don't kill us.
No worries.
I'm joking.
What's the max speed you can go? 80?
80.
80, oh, not so
But that's
fast.
the max allowed speed though, right?
Yeah, set by the management.
What is the max speed on the car?
The top speed will be 185.
185?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, let's test it.
You're driving on the wrong side of the road. Just keep all this out. It will take forever. Okay. Get ready for the takeoff. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa! It's like a roller coaster.
How many times
While exploring this facility, it occurs to me that this car factory represents something bigger, the convergence of robotics, AI, and mobility. Hyundai isn't just building cars anymore, they're building an ecosystem from autonomous vehicles to smart farms to robot factories. They are positioning themselves at the center of the next industrial revolution. When we think about manufacturing, Singapore is the most unlikely places to build a factory. The labor cost is high. There are space constraints in this land-scarce island. But robots working 24/7 and advanced manufacturing technology are the only reasons why Singapore can continue to stay competitive. So the next time you think about robots, don't think science fiction. Think Singapore. Think what's already being built inside this facility. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here. What do you think about the electric revolution elsewhere in the world? Feel free to leave your thoughts and subscribe for more videos.